approved. Ito na po, oh, meron silang ganito. Nutrition po ngayon, nutrition. Kaya maraming mga design. Malunggay, may okra, may saging na puno, may guyabano, may nyog, yan, talong, may sitaw, malunggay, may pinya, meron kamating kahoy, kay Jenny Rose Quezon. Ay, sige. Ay, baby, very good. Ito, maraming saging.
Tingnan mo po sa harapan, ang daming fruits po niyan.
Oo nga, daming saging, oh, dalawa, oh. Pare, bless na, bless. Oh, very good. Ang dami nitong design, prutas.
Ang ganda talaga.
Amo, may ano pa, oh.
Ang ganda, mayroon pa nga po
May
dyan macaroni sa baba.
May macaroni pa. Santol. Dami na
Wala pa yung
pinya.
Hoy!
May
Gusto daw
kalabasa.
po yung lala ni Christine. Kukuhanin po ng mga fruits.
Oo,
Kasi
mamaya.
wala yung tindera.
Pag tapos na, pwede nyo na yung kuhanin. Oh, dami santol. Oh, ganda, oh. Ito naman kay
Kokokong.
first runner up, Mr.
Santol.
Miss
Ay!
Mark Angel
Pinya, batang.
Princess
And-
Alia Rigola. May balloon. May mga bulaklak. Oh, ganda. Meron pang Pinoy Pack. Dried na vegetable. Kompleto. Yan, mamaya may parada to. Kaya masaya mga bata mamaya magparada sila sa nutrition month.
Girls na kaya si Kim Sean po, bakla. Oh, santol niya, nag-orlog! Ano partner naman ba namin?
Okay. Sandali lang. Ten. Sa mga nanay. Joseph. Julius. Julius. Smile. Smile. Yeah. Pag uban-uban, bukas na yan. Kapiling-ping niya. Prutas. Ubas. Strawberry. Mani. Boko. Yan, very good. Mayroon pa. Mahuli ka na. Tapayas, masarap. Tapos na. Joseph nagparada rin pati. Parada rin si Joseph. Okay.
At this point, let's come now to the recognition of a teacher awards. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 5, School Division of Camarines Sur, Bao District, Salvacion Elementary School. Award this certificate of recognition to Barbara Ann P. De La Cruz for being an outstanding teacher for July. For her effort and excellent achievement in the field of education by being promoted from Teacher 1 to Teacher 3, given this 31st day of July at Salvacion Elementary School, Salvacion Bao, Camarines Sur, Philippines. Signed, Rogelio B. Tomenyo, School Principal. recognition to Jenny R. Valencia for being the Outstanding Teacher for July. For her effort and secular excellent achievement to fill the application for being promoted from Teacher 1 to Teacher 2, given this